Um, that's not good because this is going to be the first post to rot. So hey guys, what's up? Just about to cut my yard, but I wanted to give you guys a quick update on the posts that we put in. So we've been able to put in 19 posts so far. You can see them, some behind me there, one right here. I still have 4 more to put in. I'm gonna see if I can get to that today after I'm through doing some other yard chores and whatnot. So when I get back, if I'm able to, I'll show you some pointers that my brother-in-law was able to show us in relationship to making sure the posts are um, in the ground safely, and also that they'll last a little bit longer than just they would ordinarily be um, if we had done it ourselves as novices. So I'll get back to you a little bit later. I don't know why I'm saying a little bit later, considering that this is a video and I can just edit it in, and it seems like you know, a second. You know what? I'm just gonna do that. And this is me working on the remaining 4. So this is the first post that we put down, um, and I'm gonna show you what the base of it looks like, which is incorrect based on what we learned. So at the base of this one, you see I have all this dirt here. Um, that's not good because this is going to be the first post to rot. And as you can see, there's just too much dirt all around it. And what this is going to do is this is going to cause the post to rot. So now I have to take all this dirt from around it and then mix some more cement and put at the base as best as I can. So the worms and all that kind of stuff does not get to it easily. I don't want to see in the next 3 years or whatever the post is like all rotted out, which would be ridiculous, because then if it was so difficult to get the hole dug, considering all the stones that are underneath, you can't imagine having all this cement to get out of it. So that's just no good. But live and we learn. And I learned it, so I'm sharing it with you guys. So let me just get through this and get some cement and do it the right way. Okay, so just as an example, I just went for my garden hose and tried to wash some of the dirt from around the base. And you see now there's a puddle that's gathered. So that's what you don't want to have at the base of your fence posts. So yeah, that's not a good thing. Yeah. As opposed to, let me see, this one with the little mound. Right? There's no water gathering because it just falls away. See that? So that's the good way, and that's the incorrect way. So I have to go get that water out and then put a mortar in and turn it into a mound. Again, incorrect way to have the base of your post versus the correct way of having your base of your post look. Okay guys, so this is what I was talking about before. At the base of the post, you want to create this little mound so that when rain falls, the water just basically runs away from the base of the post as opposed to settling at the base of the post, thereby rotting the post quicker. So that's what we're trying to do here, just build another little mound here. So we're running out of cement, so I use some decorative stones to kind of help bolster the curvature of the mound, and then basically gently put some cement over it. So yeah, it's our last bag of cement because we got through putting all the posts in today, all 23. So, but yeah, so this is what we mean. And then we use your trowel and smooth it out, create that little cone design, as you can see. So yeah guys, that's what I was talking about, and that's how you do it. Hey peeps, so sundown, we got through setting up all the posts. It's gotten a bit chilly. I'm tired as hell from mixing all the cement and all that good stuff. So yeah, so we got through putting up all the posts. Next phase of this project is putting up the rails that the pickets will go on. So stay tuned for that series of interesting adventures. I actually wanted to show you guys a little bit of, well, not a little bit, but a few of the stones that we digged out of the earth as we were trying to put these posts in. This is the hardest part, getting the holes dug. It was like a real life struggle. Let me show you a few of these. So that one right here, can you see it? Where is it? Oh, here we go. So that big rock right there, that's one. And then over here, it's another one right here. Just to give you some perspective, you know, that's my hand, all right, and that's the size of the rock. So we had to pull this one out of the earth. Also, a few more. I don't know what I did with them. I'll probably try to get a shot of it independently and show you guys. But man, putting up a fence, I had no idea it would be this challenging. But at least we've gotten through that phase, and now it's time to put the rails in, and then from there, the pickets and so on and so forth. Hopefully you can hear me. It's heavy wind. It's like a hurricane up here, minus the rain. But anyway, so thank you guys for watching. Please remember, subscribe, like, and leave a comment. Let me know what you think about these videos that I'm making. Really appreciate you tuning in to Reggie T Plus. All right, peace.